Hello there. Well, it's been a while since I made a last video, or made my last video. Um, I don't even know how to make a video anymore. But anyways, it might look. Oh, look, I'm indoors now. But surprise, surprise! I open up my blinds. I'm in a bus again. So you might be wondering, how did I get here? How did I get into a bus? How am I making a video on a bus? Well, watch this video and maybe some future videos to find out. Because I recorded pretty much almost all my building process, except for like nitty gritty details, like putting up all these blinds, because this took a while as well, showing them into my bus. But yeah, so in this video, I put together my solar panels, and I pretty much throw everything away in my old house because I had to move out and I had a bunch of crap. So I just go over everything I kind of threw away to become more minimalistic, and yeah, show you how I put my solar panels on. And it's somewhat informative, I guess. It's not really much like software engineering, and I'm not really used to putting solar panels, as you might imagine, as a software engineer. But yeah, it was exciting. I would do it again. I kind of want to do it again because I want more solar panels, so I can just start up I don't know, put air conditioning in here. I won't have enough for that. But yeah, make sure to triple click like button for YouTube algorithm, and yeah, let's get to the building. All right, hello. Welcome to my sun hideout shuttle bus. So I have my solar panels right here, and I'm gonna cover these up and install these in the sun so that I do not get shocked or anything like that. So there's no trickle charge coming in. It doesn't break anything. Like, hopefully it won't. I'm gonna install these in series. I have 4 of them. So here's the other 4. One of them is cracked, but that one in the back, I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's cracked. I don't think that'll affect the charge or how much voltage it'll apply or give, but I guess we'll find out. I got a refund from it, so it's not really like that big of a deal. I think 3 is probably enough anyways. I probably won't run more than like my laptop and maybe some lights and stuff like that. Or I guess my fridge. I should probably mention I'm standing on a fridge right now. It's like a 64. It's just the box for the fridge. But yeah, I'm going to install these solar panels. So they have tape underneath them, and I'm going to screw them in with like self-drilling screws. And yeah, it should be. There's tape underneath there, and then I'll probably put like some kind of sealant there as well. So yeah, I'm going to go do that now. Welcome to my minimalistic life decision video. So if you cannot see behind me, I have a bunch of trash bags full of crap I've accumulated over some odd 26 years I've been alive. I just turned 26 yesterday. But since I'm moving into a van, I think I should start deciding on what I really need and what I really use. Honestly, most of these I'm throwing away like loads of clothes because I don't wear too many clothes. I just wear very basic stuff, you know, like Stand Back, I'm Going to Try Science from XKCD Comics, if you ever heard of them. They're like, the guy's a physics major who made that, so of course I had to like that. But anyways, so I'm throwing away like most of my clothes and like towels. Like I had like 4 or 5 towels. I just need 2 if I'm living in a bus. Like I'm not gonna have like swimming parties in my bus. I'm throwing away like, I don't know what this is. I think it's used to store like videos or something. I'm throwing like all books I don't read. I don't know. I got like some of these books like from like, I don't know, Goodwill or something. I thought I would read them or something. But this How to Make Money in Stocks, I mean, and it's a cool book. It's just really boring, and you know, I decided just like to spend, instead of just like investing in stocks individually, I just thought I would do index funds. Just, it gives me too much of a headache. I once read like a 700-page book on how to trade in the markets, like, you know, using all these crazy methods. And I don't know, the decision I came to is that it's not worth the headache to read a 700-page book. I mean, it's not this book, this is like 300 pages, but it's not worth it, so that's why I am throwing it away. This one, honestly, the only book I would recommend out of these 4 books, 7 Habits of Effective People. I'm throwing it away. Maybe I should give it to Goodwill. Maybe I'll give it to Goodwill, because that's where I'm giving all these books to. And actually, I think that's where I got it, actually, like a year ago. So, you know, maybe some other fool like me will read it. But anyways, this was a good book, because, I don't know, helped me make decisions. I mean, I don't know. I read it in such, like, spurred out, like, periods of time that I probably actually don't remember much of it. So I probably should read it again, honestly. But I don't have room for it anymore. I guess I do have room for it. I guess I haven't read this book. I don't know. Get out of your own way. I don't know. This guy has a cool attitude. I like him. But yeah, so I am being minimalistic. So I'm throwing away a lot of stuff. Like, I can give you a tour of my room. Like, it's very dirty, but there's just like my bed, and then like my closet is pretty empty. And then yeah, I need to clean everything up. Moving days and such. Yeah, I think minimalism will help me declutter my life and help me set a focus on my life for, I guess, what my next steps are after I live in this van. Like, how long do I want to live in this van for? Do I want to live there like more than 6 months? Because I'm projected to, like, to work from home for like at least 6 months or so. So I can just move back into an apartment, or maybe think about buying a house after that. But I don't want to pay mortgage insurance, so we'll see if I want to do that. Anyways, that's my thoughts. You the rest of my room, since I didn't really give you a good tour. But so this is my current room, very messy. Don't even look at my clothes. It's very bad. I have a desktop here. It's not actually plugged in because my hard drive broke, and I just haven't been damned to fix it. So I'm not going to fix it because I probably won't use a desktop in a van, because, you know, playing games would be cool and all, but I probably have enough electric with what I currently have, because I have 2000 amp inverter, and then 4 100-watt solar panels, and like 200 amp hour battery. But yeah, 200 amp lead acid, so it's not like I can only like discharge it up to like 50%. So I definitely could do it, like maybe like, what is that, 500-watt computer. I could probably use that like a couple hours a day or something like that. But I thought it'd be much more efficient to use a laptop. As my Alexa speaks to me. I don't know what I'm gonna do with all these monitors, honestly. And then like, I'm probably just gonna get rid of my dresser. I'm gonna keep my bed though. I'm gonna keep my bed. And I have like so many clothes in my closet as well. So I'm trying to get rid of as much as I can, because I don't know how much space like I'm gonna build out for clothes, because that's what I feel like is the biggest thing. There's my green screen. I think I'll try to keep that green screen, since I made a lot of my videos with a green screen, even though it's ripped. I tried to iron it my first day, and oh my god, look at this. Like, I don't know how to, I can't iron this green screen because this material is so thin. Like, I think it just melted through it. And yeah, so that's my iron experience, and I'll probably just get rid of the iron, you know? Like, what's the point of having an iron if I can't even use it properly? That's why, like, this green screen is like still like folded. Like, I couldn't like unfold it. I tried, what technique I did try to unfold it is to put it in the shower. Like, not in the shower, sorry. After I take like a hot shower, I try to put it in there and like shut the door, so like maybe I think it helped a little bit, since it's not as folded like as like it came. But yeah, so I'll probably get rid of like everything, like these drawers. I want to see if I can maybe take apart this desk and just like keep the top, but I'm not sure yet. I'm thinking of like keeping these drawers right here, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that. And then I have a metal frame for my bed. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's metal frame. I'm probably gonna get rid of the metal frame and just probably put like a wood frame in my bus, because metal frame is gonna be hard to attach to the bus. And if I can't attach it to the bus, then everything's gonna slide around. Even though the bed is very heavy, it probably won't slide around too much, but it probably will still slide around to the metal frame. So I wanna get everything like solidly attached, so if like I'm on a bumpy road, everything just doesn't fall apart. Yeah. So that was my room tour moving out, so I'll probably never see this room again. So now that's sad. Okay, I'm sorry. Welcome back to my rooftop tour of my bus. So I am trying to install some kind of entryway into my bus for the cables. There's one here, and there's one for positive and one for negative. The other negative is down there. I covered up the solar panels just for extra safety. Not sure if you can see it, but they're covered with blankets because, yeah, I don't know. I want to be safe, like from some trickle charge. And it rained like the last couple of days, so like the other blankets got wet. So they're just drying over there. Make sure to cover up the whole thing. But anyways, so what I'm going to do is I already drilled like 2 holes here with this here drill right here. And then I can feed these wires all the way through. Yeah, I can feed these wires through, and then I will use this little it's called Link Solar if you want to get it yourself. It's a cable entry for these wires. So I think I'm just going to glue it on, and then I will use some caulking, some silicone something or other. I don't know where that is. Oh, here it is. I will use some decor or dicor. I don't really know how you pronounce it, but I will use that to seal it so that no water gets through. So yeah, I'm going to do that now. Get rid of the rest of the sealant. Okay, that's enough. Okay, so I'm gonna do that. All right, so I think I got the caulking done finally. I have no idea what I'm doing with the caulking. I think I got the wires a little bit too tight, so hopefully the glue actually sticks. I'll probably caulk underneath as well, just to make sure like everything's completely watertight and airtight and all the tightness. But hopefully this sticks, hopefully there's no water, and yeah, I'm gonna go caulk the underneath now.